Hi everyone, today we're going to work on drawing a Christmas tree, and I'm going to show you just a few different samples of the trees we're going to work on today. So this is more the traditional style tree. We're going to be doing some zigzag lines going out from both directions at a diagonal, and then we're going to add another one down here where we can add a little bit of snow to it. And then over here, this is sort of a fun cartoon-like one, and it's very simple. We just start with a triangle and work our way down. And then we do another simple one with a triangle and some scalloped edges. It's up to you as the artist to decide what you want to use for colors. You can have fun with it and make a rainbow tree. If you want to make a pink tree or a blue tree, trees come in all different colors now, so have fun with it and do what you want. It will be great. So I'm going to start off with just the shapes of the trees, and then I'm going to have you work on your drawing and color it in while you are watching the videos about Christmas trees and their history. So I'm going to start by just drawing a diagonal line, and I'm going zigzag style, and every time I go down I'm going out a little bit more, and at the bottom I'm just doing a zigzag line across. And then when I get to this side, I'm going to do a zigzag line, and I'm slowly going back in a little bit more as I go up the tree. Just like that. Okay? And then up at the top, I'm going to put on my little star. And for the garland, I'm doing a curved line that's parallel to this one, curved line, you want it to be parallel, and do one more row going down. Okay? So the easy part is the next part, circles. So you can decide how many circles you want. Just remember that for each circle you make, you're going to be coloring it in. So you can determine if you want a lot of ornaments or just a few. Doesn't really matter. But you do want them evenly spaced out, just like you would at home with your regular tree. And then I'm going to put the tree trunk. Okay? And I'm going to do another tree over here. And this tree is going to just be using the triangle shape. Okay, simple triangle, a diagonal line, a diagonal line. Notice that I came in just a little bit, and then I'm going to go straight line across, diagonal line, straight line across, diagonal line. I'm going wider as I go down. Okay, that will make the tree taller and wider as we go. Okay, and I'm just going to put a little rectangle at the bottom, and there's your tree trunk. Now for presents, you can just do a simple square or a rectangle. And I'm doing 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. Horizontal line up. Or I'm sorry, horizontal line across and a vertical line up. And we have our little bow. If you want to make a rectangle, you can make a rectangle and also put on a little design at the top. And there you have some presents. Okay, let's do one more tree. In this one, we're going to put some snow on it. So I'm doing a zigzag line across, and I'm coming in again, and I'm doing a zigzag line across, and I'm doing another zigzag line across. And as I do this, every time I go out farther on the sides, and you can make this as big or as small as you want. And once again, I'm just going to do a simple square rectangle at the bottom, and we're going to go ahead and make a little star. And if you want it to be snow, I'm just putting just a little row, following the diagonal and zigzag lines I had before. And when you go to color this in, you're just going to leave that tip part white. Now I'm not going to color in the whole image today because I want you to listen to the videos I'm going to share with you about the history of Christmas trees and some of the decorations. This is the finished piece here, and once you're done, you can go ahead and color it in. So you can see here that I use different colors for the ornaments, and you can see where the scalloped edge part here I left white, that way it looks more like snow. Over here I just made this like a rainbow tree. You can make a whole series of rainbow trees. This is a traditional Christmas tree style, and these remind me of the metal trees I like, the Charlie Brown Christmas. And you can make them pink or purple or blue. So have fun. There's no right or wrong. You can make as many as you want to. If you want to include presents at the bottom, please do. And this is my drawing here. So have fun.